this video, I'm going to show you how to create 30 days of Instagram Reels in just a few minutes using Canva and ChatGPT. You know that I like to get straight to the point, so we're going to jump right in. So for example purposes, I picked this page off of a whim to show you the type of Reels that I want to help you create. These are just aesthetic videos with quotes, motivational quotes laying over top of them. I want to show you how you can create these in just minutes. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to ChatGPT in order to get my quotes. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me 90 quotes to use. That way, if you're posting 3 reels per day for 30 days, 90 will take care of what you need. So this is what I'm going to tell ChatGPT. I'm creating a page for boss women. I'm creating a page for women that want to make money, they want to be the boss, they want to be leaders. So I want to create inspirational quotes for them. So this is the prompt that I'm going to give ChatGPT. I already have it saved, so let me just paste it here. And this is the chat I'm giving it. Assume the role of a creative writer specializing in motivational content. Write 90 original and short shareable quotes that empower and inspire women to pursue financial success and leadership. The quote should be concise, impactful, and relatable, capturing the spirit of entrepreneurship and the determination to break barriers. Aim for a tone that is both bold and uplifting, encouraging women to take charge of their finances, create opportunities, and build their own empires. So let's give it a go and see what it gives us. Now, I'm going to put this prompt in the comments below this video, in the section, the description below this video, so that you can copy and paste it if you would like, if you're going to be creating the same type of page. So let's give it a go. Now, one thing I wanted to make sure that I told ChatGPT to make them short because they're just little short reels. People don't have all day to read these reels, okay? So we see that it's already come up with 90 quotes for us to use just like that. So let's read through a few of these. Financial freedom starts with your fearless mindset. Own your future, own your fortune. Love that. Invest in yourself. Every dollar is a step to power. Bold moves build empires. Go claim yours. Okay, so I think these are all awesome. So now we're going to head over to Canva and we are going to get the 90 reels set up. Okay, so now we are here at Canva. What I want you to do is go and click on Instagram Reel. And then I want you to go over where it says design and we're going to click on, or we're just going to type quote there. Okay. So then you can go through and look for a template to use. Okay. I believe that I'm just going to go with this one here. So I'm going to click this. Now, what we want to do is set this template up. This is how all of our templates are going to look. So we're going to do a few things to set it up. Okay. So I don't want this quote here. I'm going to remove that. This video, you can leave. Well, we're actually going to take it out for now. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click on delete and it's going to take the video out the frame. The reason is because I'll be replacing my own videos. So now this little thing here, this is like just, we want this because this helps the quote to pop. Okay, so we're going to keep that there. Now this, I'm going to change it to a different font. You can change it to whatever font is going to be good for your brand. Okay, and then this can be your Instagram tag or you can make it a logo. So just for example purposes, I'll show you how I would make, I would actually put my logo here. So Okay, so I'm going to remove this, and I'm actually going to just put my logo here. So I will put the logo at the bottom and then just make sure it's centered. And then I think this is good to go, okay? All right, so every one of my posts will look like this. So now what we want to do is go back over to ChatGPT. Okay, so you're going to go over to ChatGPT with your 90 quotes, and you're going to go and you're going to select them. Now, I don't just hit that little copy button because I don't want the numbers. So this is why I'm selecting it this way. So I'm going to go ahead and copy these. Then I'm going to go over to like a Google Doc and I'm going to paste them, okay? So next, I'm going to go ahead and just select all of them here. Okay, I'm gonna copy them, and then I'm gonna go over to Canva and click on apps and then type in bulk, and then you should see bulk create, and then enter data manually. You're gonna type quote here and then go down to the first cell, and then you're just gonna paste all of your quotes here, okay? So you'll see that all 90 quotes are there. You're going to hit done. And then what we want to do next is we basically want to connect the data, okay? So basically we want to tell bulk create where the quotes need to go. So we're going to type on this quote here, or click on this quote here, click on the three dots, and then you want to click connect data and then select quote, okay? So now when you hit continue, all of the quotes will go to the right place, okay? So we're going to go ahead and click generate 90 designs. It's going to open up a new Canva file. And if we take a look, you will see that all of the quotes have been added just like that. That is pure magic, okay? So next, what we need to do is we need to add our videos, okay? So of course, I'm not going to go through and add all of the videos in this, this session here. I'll add a few so you can see at least how to do it. So what I like to do is I like to take this little screen here and just move it over a little bit. Okay, so we are actually going to upload some of the videos here in Canva. So you could, if you have videos, that's great. But if not, you can just use some of the videos right here in Canva. I just want to show you how to go through and do that. So let's go ahead and click on videos. And let's see, we're just going to just choose one for now. So if you were to use a video from Canva, you'd see it, just hit it, click on it, and then you can move it and it's going to snap right into the background. And of course you can move it around, do whatever you need to do. And then you want to take this little black screen and replace it back. Now I already have some videos ready and finished, so I want to show you how those look. So here they are. So you see these are the videos that I have ready to go. So you see here, this is not finished, but you get the idea of the videos that I used and replaced here. And then so if you go back over here, you'll see this is 90 different quotes post ready to go. All you need to do is go in and fill the video in. So you can do this all at once, or you can do it, each day at a time. But this right here, if you want to post 3 reels per day, this is 90 reels. This is 30 days worth of reels for you to use on social media, and it was very quick and easy to create. Now, I do have some videos that faceless videos that are really awesome that I use, and they come in a pack just like this. So you see, this particular pack has, I believe, like 200 and something different videos, but you see these are all great videos that it's 320 videos. So if you're looking for some great aesthetic reels, I do have a bundle of 6,000 plus faceless videos and reels you can use for $39. I will use the link or leave the link below this video so that you can take a look at those, because that may be something that you want to use instead of going through Canva and trying to find, different videos. That is, if you're looking to create some type of, theme page like this. Okay. These are very popular theme pages right now, like quote theme pages that people are doing. So again, if you want to use, or if you need to get started with 6,000 plus faceless videos and reels, I do have the bundle that you can use. Again, I'll put the link below this video. But just like that, we got 90 days worth of content, or not 90 days. We got 30 days worth of content. It can be 90 days if you're posting just one reel per day. So guys, I do hope that this video was helpful. I do hope that this will help you with your content creation. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions, or if you just want to let me know what you got going on. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're finding value, and check out some of my other videos.